How to flip camera on Omegle. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to flip camera on Omegle. Simple and easy. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac. Once you're here, you're going to search right now for Omegle. Once done, go to and click on the link that says www.omegle.com. Now you will be redirected to omegle.com. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on the video button. Now check all the boxes and then click on confirm and continue button that shows in the window. Once you're here, Omegle will now ask you to use your camera. For now, let's close it. Let's click on the video camera icon on the upper right this time and click on manage. We will now be redirected to settings. In here, click on www.omegle.com. Over at camera, you will now change it this time to allow. Now close settings. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hopefully you get some value in this one. And as always, I'll see you on the next video.